Hey guys, and the puppy that you just saw was my new puppy, Kesha. She is only 11 weeks old, and she's very, very cute. Oh, I can't find her. She's a French Bulldog puppy, and she is a girl. There she is. And that's Oscar, my other dog that I showed you. And there's my kitty. The new member of the family. She loves to play. Oscar. What? Yep. So there she is. Say hi to camera, Kessa. There's Oscar. Yeah, him and Oscar. Her and Oscar getting along pretty well. At the rough house. So yeah, she loves to play, have fun with Oscar. Just a little baby puppy. So yeah, comment, like, favorite, do all that. And I hope you like this video. And hopefully lots of hits.
Oscar.
And there she is. With a cute pink sparkly collar. Kiss her. Yep, so there she is. And Oscar and Otis. Yeah, Otis doesn't really like her at all, but... So there she is. Say hi to the Maki. Maki! Oscar! Take out the camera! Or the iPod. Hi, Kesha. Oh. And that was my cute little puppy. As I said, comment, like, favorite, all that stuff, and I hope you liked the video about my puppy. Now, goodbye.